Welcome to J&J's test video of 9584 2001 LX470. Has 218,000 miles. Runs, drives. Has the window sticker from original. There you go, 218, 264. Still has some nice wood trim. Seats are okay, but they work. Door panel's not too bad. This truck is not bad at all, and I believe this was the whole accident. So front bumper's got some boops here and there, but she's just another old Toyota. Somebody didn't want her, so I bought her. Dents, dings, just little stuff like that. It's not super rusty. Steering wheel's nice. Let's get that out of the way. Radio works. Screen's not too bad. This one down here is fine. Let's pull it over here and see if the height goes up real quick. Let's do that. Let's turn that off. Let's see if it raises up. Yep, there she goes. The hydraulic works. I think she was moving. Maybe not. Maybe just because my butt got out of there. Nope, maybe not moving. I was trying to test them. See the rust falling off the hatch. Let's see what it says. Still blinking that it's going up. We'll check it when we get down there. Listen to one of the greatest motors ever made. Oh my goodness, these things are heavy. Quiet as a church mouse. Yeah, it's got a Toyota battery in it. That's a nice truck. I do not think the suspension is going to go up. Yeah, I think this was just the donated. Yeah, something's up with the front suspension. It's a little bouncy. Just needs a set of coil springs. Oh yeah, you can feel it when you drive it. All right, running, driving. Just another Land Cruiser. Where's that Cayenne at? There it is. All right. Still blinking high. Let's see if it's all the way up or not. Maybe. I doubt it. Nah, she ain't moving. All right, as always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.